down. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. All right, so I'm here editing a video and not feeling my best, but my son tells me to close my eyes and rushes my daughter downstairs, and they place this in my lap. Now, those of you who don't know, next Wednesday is my birthday. August 16th is my birthday, and yeah, my husband said he went in on this gift with my father. Okay.
Open it.
Okay, so open it.
It should be pretty easy to open.
I can tell Ciara wrapped it. She wanted to master wrapping gifts, and it's like she has done so.
Open it.
Nah, this is a prank.
Open it. Open it. Keep opening it. Keep opening it.
Is this a prank?
Keep opening. Keep opening. Come on.
You don't know yet.
Keep opening.
No.
Oh, what is that? What is that? I see.
And you'll see that it's unopened.
Mommy, look at the side.
It's unopened.
Oh my goodness, y'all. I was gonna get one myself.
No. No.
What?
It has your M1 chip. It has your M1 chip.
Remember,
Because
Mommy?
me and Daddy went
Unboxing
to Best Buy
idea.
to look for some.
Oh my god.
Unbox it. You can unbox it for a video.
So don't open it?
It's up to you
If you want to.
Do you want to? I feel like it'll be a good video.
It's still recording.
This one.
Is it?
Okay. So I finally got my MacBook. It's so pretty. Like I don't wanna mess up the wrapping. Oh wow. I'm speechless. All right, this is a MacBook Air. I don't know, number 1, number 2, 3. I don't know. M1. So it's open, I guess. It's open. Oh, so sleek. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Oh my God. So, oh my goodness, this is like the packaging is so dead on. Oh, I can slide this out. Oh, I'm gonna need a case. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Oh, okay. I guess these are directions. Charger, charge port. Yeah. Okay. No. This is good. Oh.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Okay. Oh, it's doing something. Okay. Oh, how satisfying. Oh. Hola to you too. Bonjour. So guys, thank you again for tuning into another video. This gift was a total surprise for me. I'm not sure if I mentioned that this MacBook Air has the M1 chip, and its battery life is amazing. I think it holds a charge for at least 18 hours. So again, if you're interested in purchasing this, my husband said they got it from Best Buy at a reasonable price. They're holding deals now. So if you're seeing this before Labor Day, you may want to go check them out. This is not sponsored, of course, because this was gifted to me. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.